Hello, welcome back to Black Armor TV. We're here to guide you on your journey to financial success. Today, we're taking a fun detour from our usual topics to celebrate all the amazing fathers out there. We've got a treat for you, a treasure trove of unique, budget-friendly gift ideas to make this Father's Day unforgettable. We've got ideas for sons, daughters, and anyone else looking for a special way to show appreciation. So, whether you're a son, a daughter, or someone just looking for a special way to show appreciation this Father's Day, keep watching. As a son, you might share some unique interests with your father. This is where the beauty of gift giving comes into play. Gifts are not just objects, but expressions of understanding, love, and connection. So, let's explore 5 thoughtful gift ideas that could make your dad's day extra special. First off, consider tech gadgets. If your dad is into the latest technology, an Apple AirTag or an Ember mug could be just the thing. These nifty gadgets not only cater to his tech savviness, but also show that you're in tune with his interests. Second, how about something for the outdoorsy dads? If your father loves camping or cooking outdoors, a BioLite camp stove or an Unikaroo pizza oven could be a fantastic surprise. These gifts not only cater to his adventurous spirit, but also create opportunities for shared experiences. Third, for the fathers who find joy in a good cup of joe, a premium coffee maker or specialty coffee beans could be the perfect gift. It's a simple gesture that adds a touch of luxury to his daily routine. Fourth, if your dad is a grill master, consider gifting him a high-quality grilling set or a unique spice blend. It's a practical gift that he can use regularly, and it shows that you appreciate his culinary skills. Lastly, for the bookworm dads, a best-selling novel or a biography of his favorite personality could be a thoughtful gift. It shows that you respect his intellectual curiosity and share his love for reading. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but the thought and effort you put into choosing the perfect gift. After all, the best gifts come from the heart and are tailored to the recipient's tastes and interests. So sons, as you plan for that special day, consider these gift ideas and think about what would make your dad smile. Now, for the daughters out there, we've got some special gift suggestions for you too. First up, how about a personalized photo album? Fill it with your favorite memories together, from those cherished childhood moments to your most recent adventures. This gift is a treasure trove of shared experiences, a keepsake your father can turn to time and again. Second, consider a heartfelt letter. Sometimes, the most meaningful gifts are those that come from the heart, not the wallet. Write down your feelings, express your gratitude, share the lessons he's taught you and the impact he's made on your life. This letter, penned in your own words, can be a gift he'll cherish forever. Our third suggestion is a custom piece of artwork. This could be a portrait, a sketch of his favorite place, or even a painting of something that he loves. If you're not the artistic type, commissioning a piece from a local artist could be a great option. The fourth idea is a cooking class for 2. If your dad is a foodie, he'll love the chance to learn new recipes and cooking techniques. Plus, it's an experience you can enjoy together, creating not just delicious meals, but also wonderful memories. Finally, we suggest a day of favorites. Plan a day filled with his favorite activities, meals, and people. It's not just about the activities themselves, but the time and attention you put into organizing a day that revolves entirely around him. These gifts show your father how much he means to you, and that's priceless. Now, for those of us who enjoy a little DIY, we've got some amazing homemade gift ideas that anyone can make. Let's dive into the world of creativity, shall we? First up, we have a personalized mug. All you need is a plain ceramic mug and some oil-based paint markers. Draw a design, write a quote, or sketch something that your father loves. Bake it in the oven to set the paint, and voila! You have a custom-made gift that's perfect for coffee or tea. Second, consider a homemade picture frame. Gather some twigs from the yard, cut them to the right size, and glue them onto a cardboard frame. Add a favorite photo, and you've got a rustic and heartfelt gift. Third, how about a DIY tie clip? It's a stylish accessory that's surprisingly easy to make. Just get a strip of metal, cut it to size, and use a metal stamping kit to add a personal message or design. Fourth on the list is a homemade BBQ rub. Does your father love to grill? Mix some spices together, put them in a nice jar, and you've got a gift that's both practical and delicious. Our fifth idea is a DIY leather wallet. It might sound complicated, but with a little patience and a good tutorial, you can create a beautiful handcrafted wallet that your father will love. Next, we suggest a handmade keychain. You can use leather, wood, or metal, and personalize it with a message, a design, or even your father's initials. For the seventh idea, Why not make a custom desk organizer? With some wood and basic tools, you can create a unique piece that will help keep your father's workspace tidy. Eighth, we propose a DIY shaving kit. Handmade soap, a nice brush, and a custom mug can make for a luxurious gift that your father will appreciate every morning. Ninth, consider making a homemade bird feeder. If your father enjoys bird watching, he'll love this thoughtful gift. Plus, it's a fun project that you can do together. And finally, our 10th DIY gift idea is a personalized calendar. Use family photos, drawings, or anything else that would make each month special. It's a gift that your father can enjoy all year long. These DIY gifts are not only fun to make, but they also add a personal touch that store-bought gifts can't match. So roll up your sleeves and get crafting. Your father is sure to appreciate the effort and thought you put into his gift. That wraps up our Father's Day gift guide. We've journeyed together through a world of possibilities, from tech gadgets and outdoor gear for the sons, to coffee mugs and books for the daughters. We've even dabbled in the realm of DIY, crafting heartfelt gifts with our own two hands. Remember, these ideas are just a starting point. The best gift you can give is one that comes from the heart, one that says, "Dad, I know you, I appreciate you, and I love you." So whether you're choosing a gadget, a book, or creating something unique, make it meaningful. Make it something that speaks to your father's interests, his hobbies, his passions. And if you're not sure what that is yet, that's okay too. Use this time to learn more about your dad. Ask him about his favorite pastimes, his dreams, his memories. You might be surprised at what you discover. And the gift of understanding is one that keeps on giving. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you thought of other amazing gift ideas? Or perhaps you have questions about managing your personal finances? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, this is Black Armor TV, helping you navigate your financial future.